In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the speed sensor on this Chevy Tahoe. Let's get into it. Disconnect the connector. There's a little tab right here. Just pull the tab and slide up on the connector. Using a 19mm wrench, I'm going to loosen up the sensor. And slide it out. Take the new sensor, line it up, get it started by hand. Then you want to torque this to 11 foot-pounds. If you can get a torque wrench on there, do the best you can. Then connect the connector, lock it down. There is two other speed sensors in this transfer case, one on the opposite side of this, still on that same housing, and then one further up for the front shaft, and the procedure is going to be the same to replace those.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.